Hey everybody, in this episode, we're going to be talking about YouTube and we're going to be showing some tips and tricks on how to do searches a little bit better. So, first things first, you obviously hopefully know about the YouTube search bar up here. So, if you are searching for something like Riley High School, you're going to find all kinds of information about Riley High School. If you are looking for another way to slim it down, is to put quotes around it. So let's say you're looking up Seth Ponder. It's going to find everything from Seth and Ponder. If you put quotes around it, it's going to find specifically Seth Ponder. If you would like to find searches Seth minus Ponder, you're going to find a whole bunch of other Seths. Maybe Seth Meyer. There we go. Maybe Seth Meyer and a whole bunch of, it looks like, Late Night Tonight with Seth Meyer stuff. If you want to do Seth minus Ponder minus Meyer, and hit enter, you're going to find a whole bunch of other stuff. So you can use the plus and minuses as features on your in your search. If you want to start looking up channels, all you have to do is type in what you're looking for. So in this case, I'm looking up Riley, and I'm going to look up a channel that has to do with Riley. Now, we can see we've got a whole bunch of people named Riley. Well, I want to look up high school, and there's a whole bunch of Riley high schools in the area. But one I suggest you subscribing to is our Riley High School athletics page, especially during the pandemic when we can't have fans in place. There's my little plug. Okay. Another cool thing you can do, and one of my favorite videos around are 360 videos. So let's say you want to watch 360 videos. So we'll do Riley High School and 360. Let's see if there's any out there. There are. And so this one right here is pretty fun. We dropped a 360 camera right in the middle of the walkway when you can search around. You can, you have VR goggles. It's a lot of fun. I also suggest one of my favorite 360 videos has to do with sharks. I just think like going deep sea diving with 360 videos, 360 cameras are probably the safest way to go swimming with sharks. Okay, let me back up a second. And the last thing I want to show you, for example, I'm going to grab a wrestling video. And let's see. All right. Wrestling, here we go. Wrestling versus Gymtown. So let's say I'm a wrestler and I don't wrestle until like the 30-minute mark. Okay. I can I can share the link with family and friends after it's been recorded and posted, or I can make it easier for my family and friends to hit this share button and say, check this box and say start at 29 minutes, 53 seconds, copy that, and then send it in an email or a text message, and it will jump right to that spot. So there are some tips and tricks with YouTube. I would love to see your favorite short video that gets you hype in the morning, or maybe you're having a bad day and it gets you going, or it's inspiring to you. Now, one way to make sure it's short is after you do your search and you just type in the word short, you're going to guarantee that it is under 4 minutes. There we go. Here's another one. And I'm going to leave you